Speaking of Karuizawa, it's a renowned resort destination known for its easy accessibility from Tokyo and its status as a popular summer retreat. Today, I will show you how Karuizawa look like in the winter. Make sure to watch till the end for some essential tips on making your itinerary. Let's get started!
Welcome to Suzy's Discover Japan! Yay! Hi everyone, I'm Suzy, your travel navigator in Japan. Today I will go to Karuizawa. Karuizawa is very famous for summer vacation place and also for winter ski place. Well, right now, at the end of December, there is no snow yet. So for what I am going there? Because one of my co-workers built a house in Karuizawa. So I'm going there to visit her. We will have a small team gathering over there. Okay, I'm looking forward.
Today, I will be guiding you through the world of Japan's iconic Shinkansen or bullet trains. Make sure not to mix up the Tokaido and Tohoku Shinkansen lines. They may sound similar, but they will take you to different destinations. Despite the busy crowds, don't worry. Everything you need to know is right there on the signs. Take a moment to confirm your destination before setting off on your journey. The Tokyo stations are incredibly spacious, so be sure to allocate enough time for transfers. I arrived at Tokyo Station 30 minutes before my Shinkansen's departure time to allow time for shooting this. And of course, if you're feeling hungry, there are Ekiben station bento stores available. It's a great experience for you to eat Ekiben in Shinkansen. But don't think you can grab something in 5 minutes. There is a long line at the cashier and with a variety of options to choose. So take about 10 to 15 minutes for safe.
Okay, my train is Asama 609. The departure time is 11:04. I have 10 more minutes. In order to get on bullet train, it's better to enter the gate at least 10 minutes before. There are two gates. One is normal JR gate and the other one is bullet train gate. So make sure you're gonna pass the bullet train gate at least 10 minutes before because you don't want to miss the train, right? When I get on Shinkansen, bullet train, I always buy coffee at this shop. But today I have hot tea with me from home, so I will not buy today. But I would like to caution you, inside the gate of Shinkansen, there is only this small shop. So if you would like to buy Starbucks cafe or other like a specific brand coffee, it's better to buy outside the gate. So my train is Asama 609, so I need to go to the track number 23. So the track number, the platform number 23. Where's 23? 23. Okay. Oh, she must be no time. Okay, 23 here. Okay, 23. So it's kind of confusing if you don't get used to. So it's better to check the train number and the track number before you go to the platform, okay? So that you will not confuse and make a mistake. Oh, is it Asama? Oh, yes, this is my train. Asama. Okay. I always have hard time to find where is my car. My car is number 10, so I need to go there It's a long way to go. Yeah, I wish I can remember which escalator is to which car, but I don't get on Shinkansen so often. So, okay, people start riding on. I don't want to walk I don't want to walk the narrow path inside the train, so I try to walk to my car at the platform as much as possible. Okay. Even I had 10 minutes, but always in rush. Okay. So you can imagine how it's like. Tokyo Station is massive, super big. So you're gonna use more time than you expect. This is car number 10. It's my train. Okay, it's a long line. Today is December 27. Many people work until today. And from tomorrow, many companies close their office for the end of the year and the new year. And so many people go back to their home country, home, and with little children, with big luggage, yeah, to spend the new year with the family. So many people travel in this season. So normally the train is fully booked.
During my journey, I had the chance to interview a lovely family seated next to me. They're heading to a hot spring in Ueda, just a little bit beyond Karuizawa. Their ekiben, the station bento, looks delicious.
お寿司？手まり寿司、かわいい。すごい小さい。ちなみにこれでおいくらぐらいですか？お、安い。鮭のり弁ですね。美味しそう。はい、今日はどこに行くんですか？長野に。長野。旅行ですか？温泉に。温泉はいいな。上田のかけ湯温泉。いい情報ありがとうございます。
I got off at Sakudaira Station, just one station away from Karuizawa. Why? Well, we're heading to a famous pizza restaurant for lunch. I met up with my colleagues at the station. A couple who live in Karuizawa came to pick us up by car. Now, Sakudaira Station is a bit quieter compared to the busy Karuizawa Station. Karuizawa is more of a tourist spot, you know. So we're checking out this cozy pizza place called Jingara, known as its delicious wood-fired pizzas at reasonable prices. It's located on the little hill, offering a great panoramic view of Mount Asama. The atmosphere is totally family-friendly. By the end of December, normally they're having snow. But this year it's a bit warm, winter, so no snow yet. Even in a weekday, there are so many cars. It's a very popular pizza restaurant. The menu is in Japanese, but no problem. You can check out the English menu with pictures on their website. We ordered the Margarita Gorgonzola, Bambino, and Zingara Napolitan pasta. But the real winner was the Macerara pizza, loaded with pork belly, homemade sausage, ricotta, mozzarella, and basil. Absolutely delicious! And the best part? It's around just 2,000 yen per person, including a salad and one drink. Pretty reasonable, huh? No long waits, friendly service, and delicious food. We're all satisfied. It's it's a bit far from the station, so you might need to drive, but taxis are available from Sakudaira Station.
土日はすごいので、平日にね来るのがおすすめです。
はい。
すごい。
あのお二人で顔認証ができるらしい。
Now, with our bellies full, we are off to the next destination. Now you know how much we Japanese love hot springs. Well, being near Mount Asama, this area is famous for its hot springs. The entrance fee? Just 800 yen for adults. And you can stay as long as you want. They even have a relaxing room with lots of manga, so you can chill with your family or friends.
So after hot spring, it's very common that we drink milk or coffee with milk. So this is normal vending machine, but this is typical bottled milk. And I think it's not very obvious for non-Japanese people because there is no English button. It's written all in Chinese character. So I'll show you how to buy it. Everything is with this card we're gonna pay in this facility in number 25. And this is, it says buy, buy. And we okay. This is very typical after bath milk. Right? Yay! And the drink with like this. Yummy! And of course, this is for recycle. There is a return place. After I drink, I put the empty bottle over there. Okay, thank you.
Next, we've got to Tsuruya, a big supermarket loved by the locals in Nagano. Fresh ingredients galore. People even come from outside the prefecture to shop here. Their original brand products are a hit, focusing on quality ingredients and minimal additives. Time to grab some ingredients for dinner and souvenirs for home.
So Karuizawa Tsuruya is very famous spot for tourists and for local people, for both of them. And there are lots of fresh vegetables and lots of nice kind of souvenir items, special food. Very highly recommended this place. Craft beer at Karuizawa. It's like a for souvenir set. You can compare 6 craft beer. This jam is very famous. Many people buy this as a souvenir. Raspberry, apple, honey, blueberry. They have original tea. This is soba. Do you know Japanese noodle soba? And you can make tea, put the hot water over it, and it's so tasty tea. And this is the supermarket original tea bag too. And lots of dashi, katsuobushi, niboshi. Okay, this is what my friends say that. This is the supermarket original blend soup, miso soup. See? Miso soup with mushroom. Miso soup with vegetables. Yes. So you can buy this for your breakfast or for your souvenir. Coffee. Souvenir coffee. Jam. So from here you can send it to your hotel, a courier. So this section is souvenir section, just next to the cash register. Okay, so for people who would like to buy a lot of items for your souvenir, you can buy here and send it to by courier.
Now this couple here, they're both my colleagues. They embraced the KonMari method for tidying up, discovered their joy, and decided to move from Tokyo to Karuizawa, wanting to raise their daughter in nature. Karuizawa is a famous summer resort area. Top executives and politicians at the government have their second house there. Recently, with the rise of remote work, more young families are moving in Karuizawa. Their home is a heaven of spark joy.
So this is for Shinto shrine home. Each house has it, but this is very modern, sophisticated design.
Japanese bathroom is quite unique and great. Almost every household has a bathtub, and with the push-up button, you can fill up the hot water with the designated temperature and the water stops automatically. It's so warm and so good. When I go to another country, what I really miss the most is Japanese bathroom. Even the little kids have habit to wash their hands once they get home from outside. Very Japanese, right? Toilets, of course, are equipped with bidet seats, which you can find in over 80% in home in Japan. My colleague, half Korean and half Japanese, is very good at cooking Korean dishes. We indulged in some delicious homemade Korean food.
別に一口食べなくても大丈夫です。でかじって手で持っといて、そうそう。食べるのうまいね。
It was a wonderful team building opportunity. We talked so much about work and private life. Great night.
おはよう。
Good morning! It's a frosty outside. Lighting an incense and cleaning up the wash hand. This is one of their morning routine. Feels so good. And just like that, a chef made delicious breakfast for us.
So sweet.
After the breakfast, the colleague, a web marketing professional, gives me some advice on growing Suzy's YouTube channel. I will do my best to make this channel better. Thank you. The mist clears and the blue sky appears, so it's time for a stroll. Winter air is crisp and the blue sky is beautiful in winter. Those frosty trees look like cherry blossoms trees. It's a magical atmosphere. Japanese New Year decorations, we hang these at the entrance. Shall we take a quick tour of the garden? They just moved to this house and has not made their garden yet. They are planning to make their beautiful garden soon. In the lap of nature, it's serene. This environment is why my colleagues choose to move here for raising their daughter. Now we will go to Karuizawa Ginza for lunch. I was surprised so many shops were closed on that day. Yes, here is an important tip for your travel itinerary. Except for the peak summer season, many shops are closed on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. So plan your trip on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, or Mondays would be ideal. Exploring Karuizawa on Fridays or Mondays is recommended as weekends tend to be crowded. Suzy Masayuki is a Japanese cuisine restaurant known for its dedication to locally sourced ingredients and dishes featuring miso and soy sauce. Originally established as a miso brewery, they have a history over 200 years. A particular highlight at Suzy Masayuki is the rice cooked in copper pot and the miso soup. You can enjoy a variety of Japanese dishes paired with delicious local sake and wines. Suzy Masayuki is loved in Karuizawa for preserving the essence of local Nagano flavors and showcasing the natural richness of ingredients. The restaurant has also expanded its presence with several branches in Tokyo, Nagoya, and Singapore. Across the street, there are their souvenir shop and gallery. You can buy their original condiments and dishes used in the restaurant. Grilled saiju pork. Grilled pork. フライドチキンに見えるけど。
フライドポークみたいな。
フライドポークね。美味しそう。You come with rice and miso soup. And the cup is so good. This is a traditional Japanese real luck. So nice.
おいしい。おいしい。
And now it's time to say goodbye. It was a wonderful trip. How was it?
ゆったりした生活で、なんか丁寧な暮らしをしたくなりましたね。
そうだね。
なんか来年のビジョンが
明確
いろいろ
になった。
そうみんなと話せて楽しかったです。
So it was great team building opportunity, and we all talk about for next year, and we will be more how to say we will have a good time to next year too. How was this episode? The Karuizawa and Ueda regions, rich in nature with accessible hot springs, are highly recommended as an easy-to-reach resort destination. In this video, we joined a family that has made Karuizawa their home to bring you the real winter experience in the area. Whether you're considering coming here in summer or winter, a stay for a relaxing time, or planning a day trip from Tokyo, it will be a great experience for you. Don't forget to check out this enchanting piece of Japanese countryside, filled with serene landscapes and warm hospitality. Japan is waiting for you.